So over here in Google Drive, I got some files uploaded. And let's say I want to delete out certain things. Let's say, for example, I want to delete out the copy right here. I can simply right click and click on remove and it's deleted. You can also undo that out to get it back. So now over here, I'm just going to delete that out again by pressing the delete key. You can also go over here and click on this trash can button right here to remove it out. But once you remove it, it is not completely removed. It's just moved into the trash icon right here. And after a period of a month, everything will be cleared out by itself. But till then, you have an option to recover them back out. So over here in the trash, whatever the items are there, it does count against your storage limit right here. So unless you delete them, this will just stay full. So if you want to go around and then recover some files, you can go onto trash, and let's say you want to recover the TutorTube copy. I can simply right click and click on restore. I can go over here, right click on restore, show file location so that I know where it is copied. But let's say I want to save up some space and then delete everything on my trash. To do that, I can simply select out all, right click, and then click on delete forever. Or I can go over here on the trash and click on empty trash to delete all of them. And gives us a warning right here. It says empty trash, all the files and folders in your trash are about to be permanently deleted. You cannot undo the action, meaning the files will be lost for good. So if you're sure, you can simply click on empty trash, and what happens is that the files gets emptied right over there. And then you save up some space, and over here, you have the files just like this, as you can see right here. So on the trash, there's nothing now, there's nothing to recover, and we have recovered out all the files that we could recover. So that is how you can delete, recover, and permanently delete files inside of Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.